Are you struggling to lose weight? What are weight supplements and what do they do? The proven ways to lose weight are eating healthful foods, cutting calories and being physically active. However, making these lifestyle changes is not easy, so you might wonder if taking a dietary supplement that is promoted for weight loss might help. The appeal of losing weight quickly is hard to resist. Nevertheless, do weight loss pills and products lighten anything including your wallet? And are they safe? There is no magic bullet for losing weight. The most effective way to lose weight and keep it off is by eating a healthy low-calorie diet and being more physically active. Weight loss pills, prescriptions, drugs, non-prescription drugs, herbal products or other dietary supplements are all, at best, tools that may help with weight loss. However, there is relatively little research about these products. In May 2020, Nutravista, one of the supplement manufacturers in USA, has released their latest product, ProVen Weight Loss Detox Formula. It has been designed to help folks who have trouble losing weight. The supplement employs 20 most powerful and highest quality natural ingredients, sourced from the best suppliers. The ingredients are rich in antioxidants to speed up the process of weight loss. At optimal levels, these ingredients are combined to create this pioneering formula. Unlike the vast majority of competitors' supplements, the exact quantity of each ingredient in ProVen is clearly listed. Some of the key ingredients are green tea leaves, turmeric, Panax ginseng, garlic bulb, Asian mushroom complex, bioflavonoids, selenium, vitamins A and C, lycopene, beta-glucan, essiac tea complex, cat's claw, arabinogalactin. What is more, each ingredient is of the absolute highest potency and purity available. If you are eating healthily and exercising too, but still not seeing any significant results, then you should definitely try ProVen Weight Loss Supplement. It has a great quality, excellent composition, and the official website shows positive customer reviews from those who have already tried it out and got astonishing results. How do ProVen weight loss pills work? Now let us go deeper to get a better look at the working mechanism of ProVen pill. As per the official Get ProVen website, the formula does three things. It detoxifies, supercharges metabolism, and enables rapid weight loss. As you grow old, metabolism process slows down, so you start to get heavy. You gain more weight, which hurts your health in the end. ProVen as a detoxifying formula is designed to boost metabolism so that your weight loss process can be boosted. The organic ingredients in ProVen weight loss supplement increase your immunity, which supports metabolism, hence triggering natural weight loss at targeted areas such as hips, belly, thighs, and ultimately admirable body shape. ProVen not only detoxifies your body and eliminate toxic substances, which have accumulated over time, but also helps in the maintenance of blood pressure, blood cholesterol, and triglycerides. It improves your mental health by boosting your mood. It is suitable for both men and women. Why should you buy ProVen pills? Most other weight loss supplements do either of the two things. They either fat-burning boosters or they promote better detoxification. Nutravista ProVen supplement aims to do both of these functions. It enables the eradication of toxin buildup as well as triggers metabolism. Furthermore, it is also a convenient way to lose weight. It enables easy weight loss since it does not require you to follow difficult exercises or bind you in following strict diets. You just have to take the capsules regularly to experience weight loss. Nutravista ProVen supplement is not only based on modern science's findings of the properties of natural ingredients and how they can be combined in the right proportions for weight loss. In fact, the product's formula is based on 7-second ritual learned from a monk in Tibet. This proves that it has its basis in ancient healing techniques as well. One study conducted on this product found that people who used the capsules once a day regularly were able to lose 55 pounds on average. Moreover, about 95% of people even lost more than 60 pounds. Therefore, on average you can expect to lose 30 pounds or even more on using 6 or more bottles of this product as per the guidelines given on the label. You can trust this product because it has been manufactured in a facility that is FDA approved. The company strictly follows good manufacturing practices and therefore you do not need to worry about the authenticity of this supplement. Furthermore, the product is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. In case you see the need to return the product or anything whatsoever, you are covered. More than 3 million consumers are happy and satisfied with ProVen worldwide. One thing, which is common in all weight loss supplements, is that individual results vary from person to person and it depends on the consumer's consistency and efforts. You can be one of the first to get ProVen and see the results for yourself. Where can you buy a ProVen pills and pricing? Consumers are advised to only purchase this supplement from the official website of Nutravista Naturals to avoid counterfeits. The link to visit the official website is given in the description. This product is offered in 3 packages. The more bottles available in a package, the better the offer. Here is a look at the cost of ProVen pills in each deal. 1 month supply pack comes for $67, excluding shipping. 2 3-month supply pack comes with 3 bottles with the price per bottle being $57, free shipping. 3 6-month supply pack comes with 6 bottles with the price per bottle being $47, free shipping. Currently Nutravista offer a huge discount for the launch of the ProVen. Click the link in description to order ProVen Weight Loss Advanced Formula at a fraction of regular price.